Hey, this is Jamin Jamie from Jamin Leather, your ghost of bike weeks past.
Hey everybody, welcome to Myrtle Beach!
Hi, this is Jamin Jamie from Jamin Leather Catalog Outlet during the Myrtle Beach Fall Rally 2006. We'd love to have you come by here. Come and check out all the contests we're going to have here at Jamin Leather. We're going to have some silly chicken contests, win a few prizes, beer belly contests. We're going to have some free t-shirts. We're going to have the leather charity auction. We're auctioning off over $20,000 worth of leather goods to benefit the American Red Cross. Come check that out Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And there's going to be a lot of things going on. We'd love to have you come by here at Jamin Leather. And if you don't know where to go during Myrtle Beach Bike Week Fall Rally, go pick up a copy of your event guide. Available at over 400 locations in and around Myrtle Beach. We'd love to have you come check out all the locations and have a great time. Ride safe, will you?
Here we go.
Checking out all the places, including places like the Rat Hole, SBB. 2:30 we'll have the leather charity auction benefiting the American Red Cross. Vendors, a lot of things going on. We just have some silly contests coming up here in a little while. We'd love to join us for that. Think about a name, okay? Biker babes, biker bitches. 1, 2, 3. Keep those knees together, keep those knees together, keep it going, you gotta walk a little faster, gotta waddle, look further, faster, the chin, let's go, they can't touch that chicken, get your hands up there, let's see, cheating, here we go, okay, we got it now, okay, looks like the fucking nuts team is doing really good, let's hear it for the fucking nuts team, are they fucking nuts? That's the only one I can memorize, is fucking nuts, look at him go, clucking, what? No. I think I'm going to change the rules in the middle of the game. I think I'm going to change the rules. You have to spin around that cone 3 times before you come back. Spin around the cone, spin around the cone. That's 1. Count them. That's 2. One more time. 3. Okay, I like changing the rules in the middle of the game. Yeah, all right. Let's hear for our chugging chicken contestants. You need to take that beer, put it on top of your head, and balance it all the way to the stage, and you can get a free t-shirt. So why don't you come and get a free t-shirt? She's doing good. Now here she comes. She's not the only one. There's got to be somebody else out there. Just put it on top of your head and come up here. Very good. Look at that. Notice how she's protecting it? She don't want to lose that beer. That's too much. How are you doing today? What's your name?
Michael, what's the definition of a woman? It's a life support system for a pussy.
These jokes get worse every year. I don't know what the hell it is. You got a good joke. Come over here.
What do you call blinded pigtails? Blowjob with handlebars.
You gotta keep it in the air. You're you're not doing very good. You guys know the monkeys. Next time you come here, you'll see. Because if you can't spank a monkey, you can't get a date these days.
Hey, this is Jamin Jamie from Jamin Leather, your ghost from bike weeks past.
Take the beat to the street.